Have you ever experienced something or met someone or had something happen to you that so radically and nearly instantaneously changed your outlook on yourself or your life that nothing ever felt the same? You may have woke up one day and felt as though everything in your life had entirely changed. You couldn't exactly put your finger on it. It was just this feeling you had that somehow you had shifted. Somehow everything that came before was different than everything that is coming next in your life. This wasn't just some one-off feeling. This is actually your intuition speaking to you, telling you that you have just jumped or shifted into a different timeline. In this podcast episode, I am going to be sharing signs you are jumping timelines or have already shifted into a different timeline. But first, be sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Join our community of conscious, creative beings here on YouTube. Also, for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Infinity, and this is Magnetize Yourself, where we talk about life, love, spirituality, and of course, the law of attraction. So how do you know if you've jumped into a different timeline? First, we have to define the word timeline. When I talk about a timeline, I mean the current trajectory of your life. The future is not set in stone. It's very malleable like clay, and you can mold it into anything you want or allow it to be naturally molded by itself on its own, just following your current trajectory, your current timeline. Whether you choose to take conscious control of shaping your future timeline or shifting into another timeline, or you are just allowing the timeline of your life to unfold itself naturally as most people are, we exist in a world with limitless potential. Yes, but one strongest energetic future potential based on our current energy. So this means that if you were to go see a very talented psychic, who you are actually consulting is a person who is very gifted in reading energetic potentials. When a psychic reads your future, they aren't reading something that's set in stone. They are telling you the most likely future for you within your life based on your current energy and therefore your current timeline. They are reading the future of this timeline you are in now. However, again, this future is not set in stone because if you shift or jump into a higher timeline, all of your future strongest potentials change. Meaning, if you were to shift timelines and revisit a very talented psychic again, they may tell you a completely different future because you have essentially shifted your future by changing your present timeline. Now, again, this is something that we can do consciously. This is actually, in essence, what we are aiming to do with all of the law of attraction techniques or energy shifting techniques, whatever you resonate with. Anytime you are quote unquote manifesting, what you are really doing is manifesting a shift in the present to a different timeline, to a higher, more desired timeline with more desired future potential outcomes, strongest potentials for the future than your current timeline. However, this doesn't necessarily need to happen consciously. Sometimes we have certain soul predestined events. What do I mean by soul predestined? I mean that Prior to incarnating here in this lifetime, our soul may choose to experience certain events, to meet certain people, all for the purpose of shifting us into a different timeline. So, for example, when we in this lifetime experience an event that could be very traumatic or very intense that causes the beginning of a spiritual awakening, this spiritual awakening, because of the radical shift, up-leveling in our energy through this awakening, will cause us to jump timelines, to shift into a higher timeline. However, the awakening itself, that moment, that event, that meeting that could have sparked this radical energy shift and therefore the timeline shift could have been an event that seemed completely sudden, completely random, and out of our control. This is because it was out of our conscious control. But within the realm of the divine timing, our soul chose to experience that event at that exact time because we had reached a point in our soul's evolution, usually through many lifetimes, that we were ready for this awakening, meaning this more conscious integration, realization of the truths of the divine, of the truths of our own soul. Now, what are some signs that we have shifted or jumped into a higher timeline? The first sign you've jumped timelines is something just feels off or wrong and you can't quite put your finger on it. You may find yourself even feeling a bit lightheaded or like you're dissociating a little bit more frequently. And there's something about your current reality that just looks different. Everything in the physical may seem the same to you, but your intuition is telling you, I've shifted into something different. I'm in a different place. This is a sign that you have actually shifted into a different timeline. Now, some of these changes you may be actually able to pinpoint, and this leads me to the second sign you've shifted timelines, and perhaps the most concrete sign is you are experiencing Mandela effects. Now, I could do a whole separate video on the Mandela effect, but essentially this is a collective remembering of events differently or things differently than they actually are in current reality. So this means that you may remember a word being spelled a different way. You may remember a certain logo for a business looking differently. These are usually seemingly small changes, but when it comes to Mandela effects, very often you are so convinced, so sure that this thing used to be different. You are just positive it hasn't always been this way. The reason you feel so sure about it isn't because you're going crazy, but because you've actually jumped timelines. You've shifted into a different reality, a different timeline. So although in this current reality, many people who have always been here will say that that particular Mandela effect has always been that way, that logo has always looked that way, that word has always been spelled that way, but you have lived previously in a different reality where it was different. So the third sign you have jumped into a different reality or a higher timeline is that people around you, even friends or family members, may suddenly seem a little bit different, or you might just feel a bit disconnected from them. If people in your life that you've been close to a long time suddenly start to act, talk, or just be a bit differently, this is a powerful sign you've shifted into a higher timeline. Number 4, you might have shifted into a different timeline if you begin losing passion for hobbies or interests that used to be some of your favorite things. People often report this happening during a spiritual awakening because they are raising their energy, because everything in their life that isn't in alignment with their most authentic self is being deconstructed. They may lose passion or energy or interest in things that they used to love. This is because when you shift into a higher timeline, You leave part of your personality or persona in the previous timeline. It no longer fits into this higher timeline. In some sense, you change along with the timelines as well. You experience inner changes as well as outer changes. The fifth sign that you have jumped or shifted into a higher timeline is that you feel some kind of unexplainable pull to something new. Now, I'm leaving this vague here because sometimes you may be able to identify what you feel pulled toward. You may have a specific business idea, a new passion, a new interest, a new connection in your life that is exciting you and pulling you in some way. But other times, this could just be a vague feeling that you came here to do something, a vague feeling of mission or purpose that you didn't have before. And that is the key here. It is a new sense of pull, something pulling you that wasn't there in your previous reality, in your previous timeline. The reason that pull wasn't there in your previous timeline is because in your lower timeline, fulfilling that dream wasn't your strongest energetic potential. You hadn't raised your energy to the point where you were likely to manifest or achieve that goal or dream. Therefore, you didn't feel the pull to that dream as strongly, or maybe you didn't even feel it at all. But as you shift your energy, as you raise your energy, you then raise your energetic potentials for the future. You become more aligned with more desired, more thrilling, more exciting future potentials. And because we are all intuitive, we are all sensitive, going back to that psychic you visited, you are the psychic within yourself. You have the ability to read energy, to sense into energetic potentials, just like a psychic would. And you are given that energetic information through your intuition. So when your intuition is pulling you to something that's exciting you, that's thrilling you, that you have a lot of passion for, it means you've jumped into a higher timeline. Therefore, that dream or passion isn't just some impossible vision. It is now becoming your strongest energetic potential for your future that is now pulling you toward it. Now, with all of that being said, the real question here is, how do we shift into our highest timeline? And for that, I've created a parallel reality shifting subliminal. Parallel reality shifting is equivalent to shifting into our higher or highest timeline. Really, the idea of shifting realities is the same as the idea of shifting timelines. We are letting go of old realities, old timelines, and shifting into newer ones, into higher ones. We can consciously take control of this process and shift ourselves, jump ourselves into our highest timeline where our dreams and goals and passions not only are impossible visions, but become our strongest energetic potential, actually manifest in our success in our life. The most powerful way to jump into your highest timeline is through subliminal meditation, because subliminals address the subconscious mind. And it's actually our subconscious mind that usually keeps us stuck in lower timelines and previous realities, because we have lived those realities so long, they create negative energetic patterns, low vibrational patterns within our subconscious that continue to tell us this is the way it's always been, this is the only way it can be. These are what we call our belief systems. We don't believe we can shift into these higher timelines, higher realities on this deep unconscious level. So those subconscious limiting beliefs prevent us from shifting into these higher timelines. I personally was stuck on one timeline for a very long time when it came to manifesting my dreams and goals. I had these really lofty dreams for this channel, for my work online, for things I wanted to do with my life. But regardless of how much I tried to use the law of attraction, I couldn't break myself out of this timeline because it was actually my subconscious limiting beliefs holding me, binding me to those previous timelines. So, subliminals helped me to radically alter my subconscious mind. And of course, the subconscious is reflected in the energy field. So, through listening to subliminals, I radically shifted my energy, raised my energy, and was able to shift into my highest timeline. So, because I became so passionate about subliminals, I started creating them myself. And that is how my website, soundandsoulful.com, was born. So, as you can see on the screen, on this website, I've created over 100 subliminals for all areas of life. So, I have subliminals for physical appearance changes, for mood shifts like confidence and happiness, for the manifestation of specific goals and dreams, for love and relationships, and any of these subliminals will assist you in shifting into a desired reality by breaking the binds within the subconscious that are keeping you stuck. Now, to assist you in just comprehensively shifting into your highest timeline, whatever that means for you. If you don't have any specific goal or dream or change in mind, you simply want to shift into the best, highest, most desired version of yourself. I have created a parallel reality shifting subliminal designed to do just that, to break the binds in the subconscious, keeping you stuck in a previous, outdated, undesired timeline and shifting you onto your highest path, your highest timeline. This subliminal is linked in the pinned comment and description box under this video. Click that link and you can explore more about what exactly this subliminal is designed to do and how it is created to reprogram your subconscious and shift you into your highest timeline. You can use this subliminal or any subliminal I've created on my website completely free for 7 days by creating a free trial account on my website, soundandsoulful.com. And again, all of that information is linked below in the pinned comment and description box. Thank you so much again for joining me here today in this podcast, for being a powerful co-creator here on this channel. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, magical rest of your day, and I will talk to you again in the next podcast.